Welcome to English Word Hub. Today's video is going to test your vocabulary and teach you something fascinating, words that describe different fears and unusual loves. Phobia means fear, and philia means love or strong attraction. It's time to play a fun quiz on phobias and philias. Can you guess what these words really mean? Let's find out. What is the fear of spiders called? A. Hydrophobia. B. Arachnophobia. C. Cynophobia. D. Ornithophobia. What is the love for books known as? A. Bibliophobia. B. Bibliomania. C. Bibliophilia. D. Lexiphobia. What does acrophobia mean? A. Fear of water. B. Fear of closed spaces. C. Fear of heights. D. Fear of the dark. What is cynophobia? A. Fear of snakes. B. Fear of dogs. C. Fear of insects. D. Fear of cats. What is the love of nature called? A. Necrophilia. B. Biophilia. C. Ecophobia. D. Technophilia. What does claustrophobia mean? A. Fear of wide open spaces. B. Fear of social interaction. C. Fear of heights. D. Fear of confined spaces. What is the term for someone who loves fire? A. Pyrophobia. B. Thermophilia. C. Pyrophilia. D. Igniphobia. What is ophidiophobia? A. Fear of birds. B. Fear of insects. C. Fear of reptiles. D. Fear of snakes. What is the fear of being alone called? A. Autophobia. B. Agoraphobia. C. Xenophobia. D. Ergophobia. What is the love for the rain known as? A. Pluviophilia. B. Ombrophobia. C. Hydrophobia. D. Meteorophobia. What is nyctophobia? A. Fear of water. B. Fear of night or darkness. C. Fear of dreams. D. Fear of new things. What is anthophobia? A. Fear of animals. B. Fear of flowers. C. Fear of people. D. Fear of ants. What does technophilia mean? A. Love for books. B. Fear of technology. C. Love for technology. D. Fear of machines. What is glossophobia? A. Fear of speaking in public. B. Love for languages. C. Fear of writing. D. Love for gossip. What is thanatophobia? A. Fear of death or dying. B. Fear of darkness. C. Fear of speed. D. Fear of insects. Great job, everyone! Whether you got all the answers right or learned something new, you've taken one step closer to mastering English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Word Hub for more fun and educational videos. And remember, learning English can be fun when you do it one word at a time. See you in the next video.